Hey everybody, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today I just thought I would share with you some of my experimentation as far as printing goes. And you've heard me talk about some of this before, but I thought I would just come on really quick and share a few things. This is all going to be different depending on what printer you have. I have an HP Office Max 4600 series. So again, you may have to do a little bit of experimentation. I know ink is expensive, but you can make it work, right? I know I can. So the first thing, and you guys have heard me talk about this, I think, in one of my other videos. I use a scrapbook paper because I also do scrapbooking, so I always have tons of paper laying around. And if it's not double-sided, you know, it's just white on the other side. So I cut it down because, you know, they're usually in the 12 by 12 size. I cut it down to the size that I'm working on, and you can use different programs. I like Google Docs. I use Google Docs, and I place my images and I size them, and if that's upside down, I apologize, but so that's what that kind of looks like. And this is just to show that, you know, you can put multiple images on the back side. Now, if you have a pattern on this side, you'll want to make sure you put it in your printer correctly so that it comes out the right way. That always screws me up. Just for fun, and let me get this piece back here so that you can see this. This is tracing paper, kind of like vellum. And I thought, well, what the heck, I'll just try it. It's not the best quality, but it dried. You know, it's a good print. I probably printed it too big is what I'm thinking. But, you know, I'll still use it. I'll still make something out of it. I'll sew it or decoupage it or something. So don't be afraid to try different papers as well. Don't be afraid to dry envelopes. Look at that. Can you tell what journal I'm making? Mardi Gras is coming up in February. So that's what this is. So, yeah, you can do it on envelopes as well. This paper I am not super fond of. I got it at Walmart or Office Depot or whatever. It's resume paper, and it's like 100% cotton. My cutter, my paper trimmer, hates it. Just hates it. So I don't use it very often. It coffee dyes really nice. And as you can see, you can print on it very nicely. What I like to do, let me get these out of the way. I don't do it on the front, and I don't know if that's because of the paper or the ink. I don't know, but if I squirt it a little bit and water up, and you can use, I just used water, but you can use, you can put like distress stain in water, and you can see it's already getting a little funky. And there we go. That's the patina that I wanted to show you, and I hope you can see it. It gets like a verdigris color on there, and I really hope that that shows up. Oh, there we go. I just think that that's really pretty, and it makes it feel old, and it's got a really nice texture also because of it being a cotton paper. So there's another fun thing that you can try. Here's another cotton paper. map. If you've got personal photos, you can always put those on your paper. I tried this one in black and white. I'm not real thrilled with it. You can't really see what it is. But in color, it's pretty cool. So I'll probably cut that out and sew it onto some cardstock or something to make like a postcard or something like that. And one of my favorite things to do is to print on book pages or music sheets. So I wanted to show, this is sort of a, what's the word? It's kind of a see-through kind of picture. You can see the notes and everything through there. It's really cool looking. This one is a little more black. If I'm upside down, oh my gosh, I'm just going to keel over. But you can see the black, and you can see the lines going through his face, but you can't see it on the black. I'm not super happy about this. I'm still going to use it, okay? That's vintage music paper, and it's talking about music. That's why I used that one. Now this one, though, I love. You can see the darker background, but you can still see the music through it. Isn't that cool? This would be great just on its own, or you can decoupage this onto something if you'd like. Either way, it's going to look really neat. And just for fun, I printed the color version of that as well. Still with the dark background, but I think both of them are really super neat. So really, don't be afraid to try printing on different things. And, you know, I'll be the skate or the test dummy here. If you want to see me try to print on something, let me know. But I know that there's vellum that you can print on and things like that. But you know, let's get a little creative with our printing here. All right. If you have any other ideas for me to show within like a 5, 6, 7 minute period, let me know, and I will upload some more quick things. You guys all have a great night, and I will talk to you later. Bye.